After using logical operators, we will use logical formula. See how to use it. If formula. Now I want to check the formula through if. In this formula I have checked the value through which the result is showing in true false, but here I want to display some customized result. Then I will use the if formula. I've typed if. If formula has three parameters: logical test, which is we have done before. Logical test is done through only logical operators, or a formula that can result their result should be displayed in true and false. So logical test will be our first parameter. Suppose I have checked that it is greater than 50, it should be greater than 50, and when this conditions true, what the result will be displayed. We supply here, we supply OK, and in other one, if the value is false, then I supply pending. So this is a formula in which this part is our logical test. This is value if true, if the conditions becomes true, and if the condition becomes false. These parameters is being separated with a comma. Every parameter will be separated with a comma. You can see there is two long brackets in front of these parameters. It means that the parameters are optional. If you supply them, then it's okay. If you not supply them, then it will show the result in true false. So let's check it out. It's showing me. I drag the formula, and here is your result. See the other example. Now what I have to do, that I want to serialize this. I want to know which value is unique and which is duplicate. I want to draw out some unique values in this list. Here you can see there is a name is supplied multiple times, but if I have to create a unique list, then how will I get that? So we will use if formula. We'll type if. In our logical test, we will check that if the upper one equal to lower one, then it's duplicate, otherwise unique. We just drag our formula, we apply filter here and select the unique ones. See, it is a unique list which I can copy and paste where it will be required. Let's take a look at another example. I want to serialize the names separately. Suppose here is Kavita. I will supply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but the name changes. I want to count again. I want to show how many times the same name comes. So how will I do that? It is the same condition. If this one equal to upper one, then this is a blank cell. I will select that. It will plus 1. There is a blank cell, and blank cell have a value of 0, so 0 plus 1 will be selected. Otherwise I will start from 1. Now I drag the formula. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here the name changes, then serial number again starts another name. See, I just changed the result to display another thing. I have just reversed the order. Now what is it showing me? 111 to Kavita, 222 333. It has serialized our value in a other manner. So there are a lot of examples you can learn through practicing by switching values here to there, and you will get a different result, and you will get to know how to expertise a formula.